Hi, Vicky Lynn. So I'm inside, and today I've just been really, I've been cleaning up my office and just clearing out my life and just adding my intention as I'm cleaning through my house, just really cleaning up the stuff in my life, and I just feel so much lighter. And it was amazing because so many things were shown to me today of even this lion portal that's opening up for the 888 energy field portals. And they kept showing me in vision as I was meditating through cleaning my house, and that they kept showing me 9 different portals that are opening from this time now of the full moon till, which is the eclipse on this full moon, till the eclipse on the next new moon. And they showed me in vision. Wow, I just feel these clouds right now. I just feel like I'm getting a download. Really connect. Because where I'm going is, so I was cleaning my house and I got through my day and I'm sitting here, and so I'm sharing my stuff on my YouTube channel, and I'm seeing all these storms, and all of a sudden I hear thunder, and I go outside and it's raining, and instantly I feel it's like to connect to the storm. Let that storm be inside of you. Take it deep and just let it clear itself. Don't put your stuff on it, and have Mother Gaia release it. And I can feel it all the way through me right now, like a circular energy. Our bodies are going through great transformations right now. I see a lot of people who are going through pain, and me as one of them, are having different kinds of pain in my body. From having pain running down my legs of like a sciatic, pain in the gut, headaches. Everybody's describing different pains, and we're just expanding, so I'm embracing it. Wherever I have pain, I just touch it and I send love, and instantly it lightens up. So we're going through this amazing journey right now. These portals, this lion portal. Wow. That's what it sounded like too, like the roar of a lion. This lion portal that's opening up, that's here now. These eclipses that are already affecting our lives. Through the last 2 days, I've been having so many out-of-body experiences. It's blowing me away. Plus, I'm seeing more visual than I've ever seen, and I have so much that I could share. It's like overpowering. Like yesterday, I'm talking to Jackie, and I see leaves fall from the tree, but they're not hitting the ground. And then I realize that we're in New Earth. And that's what I've been really connecting to, is New Earth is just like there for me. And if it's happening for me, it's happening for all. And the connections that I've been going through, even as going and talking to people and meeting people from my past, and we are going deep. And I'm embracing it for the growth and expansion that it is. And I embrace the rain that is clearing right now. My life, your life. Nothing is ever by mistake. They never said anything today in the weather report about rain. Believe me, this is for a reason. completely for a reason. Keep breathing, keep grounding. Notice that people's words aren't matching their actions. Notice that you're having stumbling over your words more. Notice that you're watching people communicate and people just aren't even getting the communication right on either level. It's just we're all going through this major huge shift, and I feel it as circular. I keep feeling it as circular, and so really connect to Mother Gaia and hold yourself in balance. These are extreme energies. These 9 portals that are opening up that are here right now, I feel them. I don't know what they're doing, but there's going to be some major shit. Wow. I meant to say shifts. And maybe it is shifts and shit that's going to take place. It's all coming forward. All of it. Connect. Your lives are changing. It's always good to have change. Because when you're going through change, you are expanding. I embrace change. I embrace this experience. However it is to show up. And I thank you for all who are connecting. We are all helping and guiding. I had so much to tell you, but I feel so clear right now. I just feel completely clear. Hold your balance, dear ones. Stay grounded. Breathe. Think happy thoughts. Let go of the judgment. And just be. You got this. We all got this. And the universe is showing us that they're helping us. So we really got this. Because all we have to do is trust. And stay aligned. And by staying aligned is being the light source you are. And being the light source you are is being grounded to Mother Gaia. And let the energy flow through you. Through stillness. Through meditation, through however it is for you. For me, it is in different ways. I accomplish stillness in many different ways. Even in busyness, I can create stillness. So just ask for stillness. Feel the energy run through, clearing, grounding. We are so of love. We are so of light. We are so powerful. It is time now for all. Connect to your authentic self. Dive deep. Allow this energy, these portals, to take you through. They are opening it up for an easiness to go in and out, to release and receive. It is abundance, even if you're receiving or releasing. It is abundance. So allow yourself to receive and release. Feel it wash through your system. Feel the power you are. Feel how light you feel in your body. A lot more is showing up in my awareness. So I could imagine what you guys are all going through also. I'm more connected through other dimensions. And I can tell when I'm there because it feels so light. And the sharpness of the colors. And the sharpness of the experience. I am more there than here. I feel myself as less here than there. So I'm grounding and just allowing this process to take forth. My guides know what's going on. They know what's being accomplished, what's being taken place. And I'm trusting that. And in all the best interest of you guys, I would allow that too. Let go of all this resistance. Connect to the storm. Let it clear you. Let it heal you. Let it balance you. Let it complete you on some levels, on all levels. May you all be blessed. If you want a reading or a healing, email me. You will feel it out your heart. Trust the call. Subscribe to my channel. Be the light you are. These are powerful times, my friends. Lots of movement, lots of expanding. Remember to ask your guides for assistance. I am always here. May you all be blessed. Even though I didn't speak light language, I place codes. Arion placed codes. My Ascending Masters place codes in this video. Receive them and allow them. They will help you expand your experience and help soften the load. Connect. We are all blessed. Adieu.